Yo, what's up, guys? Um, let's see. Yeah. Uh, yeah, we fucked up. So, fuck, why is this shit so slow? As you can see, we fucked up this week. This month, we're down $700. Um, and the week we closed the week. We started good. We had a really impulsive day, whereas Wednesday and Thursday we kind of recovered. Followed up by some high volatility trading on Friday and Saturday because, yeah, I kind of got break even here, but then I wanted to get a profit and then it turned out worse. So, yeah, that's what happens. And Saturday was a pretty low activity day. I just took some trades and they went the bad way. So, right now, currently looking at BTC, we see the fair value gap here and it kind of creating a lower low. So, which gives us a confirmation we need, as I'm seeing some, but the actual volume is under, I don't know, 5, which is the actual, but I'm still expecting mitigation of this fair value gap to the 110, especially on the Monday bullishness. So I am looking for a long trade. When when the market gives us that long trade, still made a high here, so I'm expecting it to retest the support. So, um, kind of entering a short here might be useful uh, on the 5-minute chart, especially the target these kind of lows here. Might be a quick BTC scalp going to the 1-minute chart. Not really seeing the triple resistance area that is being hit, nor I do see the flush here, went back. So I'm still looking for some kind of confirmation here. So basically no trade right now. Might keep an eye on it. Even when we zoom in, we can see the break line. It's basically giving us the short trade on the long term, the long short trade, which we identified in the trading plan when there's exhaustion, 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 probably an RSI resistant divergence here and here. Uh, break of trend line, retesting it and going down. As it was a pretty explosive movement, we should expect something of a retracement. Probably, yeah. Like everybody is saying, all the influencers to the golden area, 3.18 to 2.6, which will be crazy, but you never know in this market. But anyways, this should be the gap where everybody will try. The late people or the late comers will say, hey, if BTC retraces back to the 100K, I'm going to be buying big. So we're just going to be expecting that kind of movement. Uh, Still waiting. Rejected as support the resistance. So yeah, kind of looking for. Yeah. There are some coins that we traded, which contributed to this result. So now we're down. So basically, we need to edit our trading plan, which pretty much sucks right now since we're behind a very few days on the daily compound plan. Let's see, we had 29. That was pretty terrible. What's that? Plus 58. Uh, minus 27, 28 plus 58, 58, 79, 75, minus 79, 75. Basically, on a trading plan, we're on the 31st of August, so we're behind 2 days, guys. We're behind 2 days. We're no, we're even worse than we were when we started. We got back eventually, so it was pretty much a good point to next time stop here and update your skills. Uh, yeah, thinking about entering a pretty quick short trade back to the support, but not even worth it. So yeah, as you can see, I'm a pretty quick scalper in that sense. I'm really looking for that 1 minute quick trade. Uh, ChatGPT. Let's see what kind of trades contributed to that result. So let's go back because we need to endlessly journal our results, and I'm so lazy in that. So I'm pretty much happy that you guys are with me on this one. when we look at the position history, yeah, guys, we took a lot of trades. Took a lot of trades, man. It was really fucked up. So, 27th, we're looking for the 27th. I'm not gonna go through them because otherwise we're not gonna. It's gonna be a pretty long video. But took way too many trades. Took way too many trades. BTC. I'm gonna do it this way, guys. Otherwise, it's gonna be check some BTC. Coin. This is fucking so slow, 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 slow. God damn it. Let me put this video up real quick. Yeah, yeah, guys. Yeah, yeah. That's uh, that's me. That's me. Uh, Mix. Keep getting in and out of trades, man. Keep getting in and out of trades. It's not because I think when a candle goes like this, I can save myself some money and going back in, and then it doesn't go that way, and that's a little bit. I'm trying to cheat the market. It doesn't work that way. So yeah, guys, we took last week we took 44 trades, man. 44 trades. God damn it. Oh my god. God damn it. Yeah, that's fun, but it's fun. And these were all my own trades, so let's see what's going on. Let's start with Farcoin because um, so yeah. Okay, mix. We took mix at which was a loss 1-2-1-0. It was a less than 3 point trade. 1-2-1-0, and we got out at 1-2-1 because it was a short. I lost $28 there. We stayed there less than yeah 3 hours. What else? Risk management. What was it? 10%. I don't even remember this fucking trading plan. 10%, 2x, 10% of account. So basically, you have to put in there $200 at 2x, and you put more than that because $28 is 2% of your account. Uh, Mix. Basically, mix would be I mix for a super long time, guys. Super long time. And yeah, I mean, like, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. We shorted here. We shorted here. Uh, because we saw this inefficiency here. Uh, but basically, it started doing this instead. It went up here again, and we were like, what the fuck? So, and we had a style of 124. We should have put our, why did we put our style of 124? If resistance is here, price always searches for resistance. I'm not obsessed with trading, but this is so fucked up. Okay. Missouri. We tried to enter long on 3.32 and got out at 3.315. Long. Why? Let's see. So we uh we got Sui, we got 3254, 3294. Zui. Yeah. So with Sui, we kind of created the lower low, which we broke to this support back on its 618 level. So we're kind of expecting a small move up. So here, from here to there, it's like a 10% move. We wanted to take it at a 220 actually. Actually, we knew we were like, don't take Sui in the 2-3 levels. Take Sui in the 202 levels, the 224, 221, because then you're safe for against more money, which all the stop losses will be at 315. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6 weeks of downwards consolidation. So I'm not expecting anything less here. So 1, 2, 3, we close this entire week. I want, yeah, basically still using a second mix. So it's just like mix. Uh, you are impatient to wait for the market to go your way, entering a trade with unjustifiable size. Uh, so your system and emotions act up again. Basically, you have a good system where your mindset and your discipline can't catch up. Okay? I mean, you have discipline to go to the gym. You have discipline to eat your food. Stay away from food you shouldn't eat. Um, go to work, read some books. I'm talking about ironclad discipline. I mean, like this is an entirely new league where you want to go ahead to. This is an entirely new craft you need to master. This is an entirely new ball game, and a drawing that you need to be able to feel, to live, to eat it, to drink it. And that starts with having that peace of mind, making space for it to enter your body. Okay? So we don't want to see any more trades because it's basically a fear of missing out. And we shouldn't live in fear. Live in fear, but abundance. If you're not feeling it now, you need to pretend to. Okay. Next one. We got another mix, basically at the same level, guys. I'm not even gonna, I'm not even gonna go into that one. Um, okay, let's see what camp did. We did a long camp at 0097. So we'll go to camp, we take camp, we zoom in 0097. If we had stayed in that long, we would have been in profit right now, guys. What did we do? What time was it? It was camp 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Camp 6 o'clock. On the 20 minutes, so 29. So it's basically here. 29, 6 o'clock. Guys, we took the supported zero. We took this trade. We took this trade here. We took this trade here because it actually was based on our trading plan. Created a lower low. We should expect to create a higher high. And then do some more. Or take the 0.12 level. Uh, we took a support here. We exited at 0.097. See, 0.097, 0.965. So we didn't really gave this breathing time. 0.965. Basically here we got out here because our stop loss was this would hit our stop loss. But why? Because we didn't wait for the support to be hit. Because we knew we had to wait. We didn't wait for support again. We didn't wait for the weak support. In combination with risk size which is way too high, basically our emojis acted up again. Because we tried to cheat the market. We tried to cheat the market. We tried to cheat the process. Uh, we saw the market hit low, retake the resistance. 1, 2, 3. It got rejected. Got rejected again. This would be a pretty. I mean, I love trading consolidation. Don't get me wrong. And don't trade in expectation, but trade based on the market. So version 1 of me would take a trade expecting this to go up. Now that it hit, created established this support, failed to break. I'm thinking, okay, well, 3 times it should go up. Now let's gamble. We're not doing that anymore. So this is basically a low trade, lost chance, no trade is a good trade. So yeah, camp, wait for your levels, base your risk management size according to the point system that you gave your trading plan. Less than 3 points. Camp was less than 3 points. It hit a lower low. It created a support. And now we were waiting for the structure to work out. It was a 3 point trade. So basically, we could go in with 5x or 20% of the account. But then again, it would have hit the stop loss. So yeah, was it really 5%? Then you should have waited. Then yeah, don't cheat the market, man. Don't cheat the market. Yeah, it's a daily on cash. For me, these are great. Uh, as you can see, guys, uh, okay, I put a link to the trading group in the chat, guys. It's a pretty good Telegram group. I'm not affiliated with it, but it's really great too. It's a really great group. Yo, uh, yeah. Basically, we're having our trades here, guys. In the terms of planning our trades, we have some trades planned out. Training plan, weekly commitment. Where are the trade plan trades? Plan trades. Plan trades. Camp. Waiting to create some. Uh, Waiting for the discounted price level to expect a break of this resistance. Uh, what we're waiting for again, SUI Sui waiting for the discounted price as well. Basically, Sui got rejected at the same level of resistance, so we should be wait. We should wait. We should wait. Waiting for Sui at the 3-2 levels. Sui waiting for Sui at the 3.2 levels. Going in for a long. Discounted, waiting for Sui at the discounted price levels to go in for a long. The trade's so fucking good. I'll become banana tag and holy shit. Same shit as mix. Same shit as mix. Basically, IoT, yeah, IoT 171, 173 for a short, probably, right? Yeah, 171, 173. 171, 173. Yeah, loss. Also loss as well. Loss, loss, loss. Mix, mix, IoT, Jesus, I think it's now 1615, guys, as you can see. Yeah, that's crazy, guys. That's crazy. We took the short. Uh, when did we took this short? 4 o'clock on the 29th. So basically, we took it here. We took the trade here, guys. We took the trade here. We took the trade here, guys. Can you imagine this level? I was like, okay, resistance, pop, pop. We got stopped out because the price went all the way up to 170. Because that should also be our second entry. You know, we had to wait. We had to have a second entry. We had to have a second entry. So basically, when we see a second entry level, we go in with 50% of the normal size, so we can size up and then put our stop loss here. You know, like if we have two trades, or we enter an aggressive one and a safe one, we should have the stop loss here. We should have the stop loss here. Basically, that would be a big stop loss, but look at this risk management. You would have been way up in profit. So because this is the level, basically put the stop loss a little bit up. Actually, yeah, below the previous high. So usually it's a typical trade, bro. It's a typical trade. It's a typical trade. Um, more textbook and more according to our trading plan. It's not. Yeah, we won't see it. We won't see come around more often. We see the exhaustion of the price, exhaustion of the price, creating a low, a lower high. Basically, retesting it here, retesting it here, which would give us the entries for our trade. We came, yeah, this is a typical price structure, which is according to our trading plan, guys. And we missed it. We missed it. We missed it heavily. Actually, the levels are here. The levels are here. It was a 6.1 trading. So basically, you could risk more. This will be the trade of the week, guys. As you can see, we're so close to being profitable. We're so close to being profitable. We just need to backtest more, reflect on our trades more, and be more disciplined in going in our resistance, keeping our risk management pretty tight. When we see double entries, we go in with 50% of our normal position size. That way, we can create the consistency we're aiming for. Uh, typical price action, which a typical price action, which he missed, unfortunately. Why did we miss it? Why did we got out of the trade? We got out of 173, right? So 173, 173, and the loss was. It wasn't even that big of a loss, guys. It was the 24, so as you basically can see, it wasn't even that big of a loss. It wasn't even that big of a loss. Your system was in overdrive. The system was in overtime. Your mindset was broken, so you couldn't see. You couldn't see your setup, your setup, your setup, the setup that you fucking put in your trading plan. Also, 50% risk size. For your enter level below the liquidity. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. So was this no? Tron. Oh, TRX. Hey. Nah, you wanna go on my trade? You wanna go on my trade? You wanna go on my trade? Damn, what the fuck? Lekker puff. Damn, niveau. Huh? Ga je lekker? Lekker puffen, hè? Lekker puffen. Oh, nee, 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 nee. Geef me volgers. Geef me volgers. Hier, geef me volgers. De volgers. Betaal de ads. Betaal de ads. Oké, laten we verder gaan. Waar waren we? Ja, fucked up. Fucked up. Oké, oké. Good entry, good mapping, didn't put 50% of position to wait for liquidation. Liquidation candles. How do you say if you feel like don't go all in thinking being greedy? Wow, it was strategically better to take small steps. Hey, don't spring into a minefield. Scout it. Don't don't spring into the minefield. Scout the path step by step. Kijk, een mijnveld, een mijnveld ook. Heel stap voor stap erin. Dus ja, dat doet erin. Een mijnveld ga je ook stap voor stap erin. And don't be shaken down. Stick to your trade. Believe in your trading plan. Believe in your trading plan. Believe in yourself. Cool. Sheesh. Sheesh. Oké, niet te lang huilen. Dus we zijn al bijna tot een uur heen al. Ja, mito. Mito. Mito had nog geshort, toch? 2,8 op on August the 29th. August the 29th time, 4 o'clock. We did a lot of trades at 4 o'clock. What were we at 4 o'clock? We took Mito here. Jeetje, jongen. Mieter, Arjo, niks, weg. God, jongen. What the fuck? Wat een week. Wat een fucking week is dit. Ja, no. Jeetje, you gotta love this shit. Otherwise, you gonna, that's why people give up. God, Ayo, broer. Oh, dat is echt niet wat. Dat is echt niet wat. Jeetje, jongen. Levensmoe gewoon, ouwe. Tering. Tering. Short Mito 0,29 man. Dit meen je niet, man. Dit meen je toch niet. Ai, 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 papi. Niffel. Freak. Grappie. Jeetje, man. Dat kan je niet zeggen, man. Dat kan je niet zeggen. Ah. Ik ga para, ik ben echt para. Ik ben echt lui. Ik ben lui voor mezelf, man. Zo kan je niet zeggen. Zo kan je echt niet zeggen. Zo kan je echt niet zeggen van. Ah. Ja, ja, wat kan ik hierop zeggen? Ik heb, ja, pak het op als een man en ga verder. 1 plantje trade zien. Maybe there is rejection at the 0.29 levels again. Dus is nu op de 0,5. Don't it signs of extortion? Ja, het is wel weer oversold, man. Dus je kan erin met de kleine hoeveelheid. Ja. Maar dan moet je rekening houden dat het gewoon 10% nog omhoog kan gaan vanaf hier aan. Kijk, snap je? Dit ga je niemand overleven. Het is gewoon 25% drawdown. Ja, dat is waar ze op azen. Dus je moet hier zitten gewoon. Okay, guys, it's an hour already, so I'm gonna stop the video. I'm going to post a video of me reflecting back on the other trades. So if you want to see that video, yeah, just go ahead. It's just a reflection of the trade. I know the series is called ChatGPT trading plan, but yeah, the part of the plan is reflecting back on my trades. I'm sorry I did 44 trades in the last week with minus 170 bucks in losing my account. But yeah, it's a tough journey, man. What can I say? It's a tough journey. I mean, we had a great win on camp. I think that was mixed. That was mixed. Yeah, shorted it splendidly. So yeah. I'm gonna head out, guys. GG. See you next time. See you tomorrow. Peace out. Goodbye.